Hey y'all, Bitcoin versus real estate. Hey, check it out. I'm not saying Bitcoin's bad. I'm not saying real estate's good. It's just there's a crazy Bitcoin buzz right now and there's a crazy real estate buzz. And I wanted to break it down a little bit. My man Barry Habib actually said something this morning that's got me thinking. He says this. He says a 7.5% increase on real estate if you put 10% down is a 75% return on your investment. So check it out. Say it again. If you put 10% down on a real estate purchase and that home price goes up 7.5%, the rate of return is 75%. So I'm gonna break it down a little bit more. So check this out. You buy a $300,000 home and you put 3% down. 3% down is the minimum down that you can do on a new purchase, unless you're getting down payment assistance. So you buy a $300,000 home, you put 3% down, and that home price goes up, let's just say 10% to $330,000. What is your return on investment? What is your return on the initial $9,000 investment? 333%. That's the return if home prices just go up 10%. Okay, Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's roughly around 50,000 right now, which is awesome. But what does Bitcoin have to do to get a 333% return based on its current market valuation? Bitcoin's got to go to about $166,000 a coin. I'm not saying it's not going to do that. But I'm just saying, hey, you're looking at investing some money and like, I own Bitcoin. I've invested in Bitcoin. I own real estate. I like both. But what investment do you think is more apt to go up 333%? Is your real estate investment of $9,000 in a $300,000 home going up just 10%? Or Bitcoin going up 333% to $166,000? Here's the other really cool thing with real estate. A lender is not going to give you money to buy Bitcoin, but a lender is going to give you money to be able to buy real estate because it's an able investment. Like, it's an investment that has utility. Yes, you can use Bitcoin to transfer money around and do all those cool things with the blockchain, but from a real estate standpoint, like, you own it, you live in it, it's able, you can improve it, you control it, you can rent it out to somebody else who can make the mortgage payment and then pay off your principal for you. So just wanted to break it down a little bit. I hope that information is super helpful. I'm super interested in your comments on this one because it's such a hot topic in terms of Bitcoin and real estate at the moment. Keith Collins, hope you have a blessed day. Take care.